Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. If you don't already know who it is, it's the one and only, the true Alex J. Please make sure to stick all the way through to the end of this video. There's some amazing apps in here, especially the last one. Make sure to hit a like on this video and make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any entrepreneur news, tips, or advice. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 17 apps that every entrepreneur needs. First app is called a company. It says touted as a virtual chief of staff. A company does all the research necessary to prep you for big meetings by emailing you a concise briefing beforehand. It provides you with all the pertinent information you will need to succeed in any situation. A company works by connecting to your Google or Microsoft email account, your mobile calendar, and your Facebook and Twitter account. It examines your personal data and goes through biographies and other information online to create summaries of each of your contacts. That's absolutely great. If you need something that's going to be able to summarize everything and condense it for you and then email it to you, I think that's absolutely great. It sounds like a personal assistant type of thing. So definitely you can check out the app called A Company. App number 2 is called Pocket. It says, this save for later app allows you to file away useful articles, interesting videos, and any other content you want to hang on to for future use. When you find something you want to view later, simply put it in your pocket. Okay, see? And you'll be able to access it from your phone, tablet, or computer without internet access. Again, that's something really cool. So you can just, it's like taking notes, but they all go in your pocket. So it just saves everything over there and you're like, oh, I need this, I need this, I need this. So again, it's another fantastic app if you're an entrepreneur. App number 3, Slack. Obviously the name sounds a bit weird. It sounds like someone's slacking off that's not really working, but this app is gonna work for you. What it says is, this team communication tool gathers group exchanges into one place, making information instantly available and searchable wherever you go. This cloud-based collaboration application began as an internal tool used by now defunct online games. Slack is currently the fastest growing B2B application used by over 4 million active users every single day. So that's a lot of people that are already using this app. So if you're looking for something that's going to put all of the conversations in one place, again, this seems like a fantastic app for you to begin using. App number 4. Now this is something that I already have. I had this app for quite a few years where I used like motivational apps and then quote apps and stuff. So if you like quotes and you like motivation, this next app is going to be fantastic for you. Motivation Daily and Positivity. It says, if you are looking for a daily dose of motivation to keep you on track to achieve important goals and big dreams, this app is for you. It comes in a streamlined, simple format, which includes perfect quotes to keep you focused when you're tempted to slack off, which is kind of ironic because the last app was called Slack. So they're kind of, opposites. Whether you're pursuing health and fitness goals, prepping for a major project at work or school, or just need some inspiration, this app will get you there. So again, this is another great one. I personally have used apps similar to this, where I've got like motivational quotes and they change every day. You can have like motivation of the day, positive message of the day. So those are really helpful because you can just wake up and then you read it and you feel a little bit more motivated or inspired, or maybe you learn something new by reading these quotes every single day. So for me personally, it helped. I don't know about you, but it's definitely worth giving it a try. Definitely can't hurt. At number 5, we have Buffer. As a powerful social media publishing tool, Buffer streamlines the process of reaching your fan base by making it easy to schedule content on social media. It helps increase your reach by ensuring you get the most out of each post. With just one click, you can share content across multiple social networks and ensure that it is posted at the optimal time so more followers will see your update. I have used Buffer in the past. It is really great because you can just schedule stuff and then they go out on sequence. The only downside is you can't really use it for Facebook anymore. You can still use it for Facebook, but the problem is Facebook doesn't like you using Buffer. It doesn't like you using automated tools unless you're using their inbuilt system. So you're on Facebook and you type it, you can schedule it and the post to go out on schedule. It prefers that and you'll get more engagement. Comparing if you use something like Buffer and then those go out, you'll find that you'll get a lot less engagement. I found that out quite a while back, but it's definitely still worth using Buffer if you need one app that's gonna schedule things across the board. App number 6, Salesforce One. Salesforce One, which is the number 1 by the way, empowers you to connect directly with your customers and run your business from your phone. It channels all your customer information into a single integrated platform, enabling you to build a client-centered business that includes marketing, sales, customer service, and business analysts. This gives you a more complete understanding of your customer, allowing you to drive your business's success and make smarter decisions from anywhere in real time. Now, again, I have used this app. If you've already got Salesforce, it's like a platform, it's like a CRM where you can get all your leads and your emails and they can all go through. Better if you've got a bigger business, not It's not so great if you've got a smaller business. But you can have all the data going through to your phone. So yes, it can be really helpful. You can obviously use it to pass out leads to your staff, and you can, check appointments and stuff. So it does work. It is a very effective app. If I'm not wrong, it's a paid app though. But again, it is another app, especially if you're like a medium or large business. Number 7, Square credit card processing works for any size business, and it's easy to do from anywhere. Square allows you to accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express, all for one low rate. Once you sign up, they will send you a free magstrip reader. Their newest reader even takes chip cards. Or you can use your iPad in a Square stand for countertop sales. Square Register app also includes other useful tools to help you manage every area of your business. Now again, Square is an app that mainly Americans use. I haven't used it here. If you have a business, like a physical business out in the real world, obviously you can take card payments. If I'm not wrong, you can also use it online. Don't quote me on that, but if I'm not wrong, you can also use it online. I personally don't use them. I prefer companies like Stripe. They're great for card processing, but again, Square is another one that you can use, and it goes on your cell phone, and then you can take card payments like right then and there, which is, incredible. So that's great if you have like a small business where people need to pay with their cards. Maybe you're selling like homemade candles, or maybe you're selling like perfume or something from home. Maybe if you've got like a home-based business, such as if you're in a network marketing company and there's a lot of products that you need to sell, but people are like, oh, I don't have the cash on me right now. Maybe that's something that you could integrate into your business to increase the amount of sales that you're getting. Number 8, Toggle. Toggle is an insanely simple way of tracking and logging your time that eliminates the need for timesheets. This app allows you to track time from a browser, computer, or smartphone, so you never lose a minute of billable time. You can organize your time by project or tag and mark as billable. If you forget to turn it on, just enter the time later. So that sounds really good. It sounds like something that's going to help you organize your time better. I've personally never used it before. So if you're struggling with organizing your time, maybe this is an app that you can look at. I'm sure this is available on both iPhone and Android as well. Number 9, Trello. Trello is a collaboration tool, organizes your products into boards, lists, and cards so you can better prioritize work and life. At a single glance, you can see what's being worked on, who's working on what, and where the process of the project is. It makes project management, which can include work assignments, family chores, or travel plans, easy and enjoyable. Like this said, it's something that's great if you need something to help you organize. Me personally, I have problems with apps like this. I find that the way that they're always structured, for me, is really difficult. I need things a bit more around. I can't have them all here and here and here. I can't have everything in squares. For me, I need things a bit more spaced out. So I like kind of things like sticky notes, sticky note here, sticky note, sticky note, and then because then I can see them all at once, and then I know what this one is, I know what this one is, but if they're all hidden away, I really struggle with it because I start forgetting what's in there, what's in that one, what's in that one. But if I can just see it all, I'm like, oh yeah, da 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 da. So that's just me personally, but again, you might find this app helpful. Number 10, MobileDay. The one-touch dialing app gets you into all your conference calls on time and unflustered. With MobileDay, there's no more searching for misplaced conference call pins or passcodes. The app auto-syncs with your iOS or Android calendar and plugs you into calls with one click. So you can connect to that business call from anywhere. So this is great if you've got a lot of business calls. When you're doing a conference, they give you a username and a pin, or an email or a pin or something. If you can't find that pin, you can't get in. And then it's embarrassing because then you have to message them and say, hey, can I get the pin to the conference call? So if you're doing a lot of conference calls where you need to access a lot of pins and stuff, press it, it automatically puts the pin in for you. Seems very convenient. Number 11, Workflow. Workflow allows you to connect the best features of your application so you can combine multiple steps across a number of apps into a single tap. With Workflow, you can create shortcuts, manage your social media, and share content. It has been lauded as the Swiss Army knife for completing complicated tasks and basically feels like you're designing your own app, but much easier. This is the kind of app that I would use. So this sounds pretty good. You've got shortcuts, so it's going to be a lot easier to jump in here, jump in here, jump in here on all these different apps. It sounds like something that I might use. I might give it a try. I might download it and see how it works out for me. Sounds pretty good. Number 12, Box. Box offers a simple, secure way to share files and collaborate with co-workers, customers, and partners. It allows you to centralize your files, keep your team on track, and simplify workflow. Not to mention ditch email attachments. You can create, edit, and review documents with others in real time from anywhere and on any device. And you can view full documents without needing to download the file first. That sounds pretty good. Do you know sometimes when you need to see something but you have to wait for it to download? It sounds pretty good because you don't need to download it. You can access it from anywhere and you can just preview the whole thing. That sounds pretty convenient to me. I'm definitely gonna give this app a shot. So yeah, if you've got a lot of people inside of your business that you need to communicate with, you need to stay organized with everyone, this could be another app for you. App number 13, Wunderlist. Wunderlist helps you tick off your personal and professional to-do list by getting your life in sync and making it easy to share your list. Cloud-based task management application, it makes sharing grocery lists, working collaboratively on projects, or planning household activities and vacations easier. It syncs with your phone, tablet, and computer so you can access your list from anywhere. This is perfect. I love this. I love it, I love it, I love it, because it's so annoying when I write a list on my phone and then I go to my iPad, or I go to my other computer, or I go to my other computer, or I go to my other computer, or the other computer, and the list isn't there. So then I have to try and work out, where the hell is this list? Is it on that computer, that one, is it on that iPad? What phone is it on? It's such a headache. So it's so much easier if you have something like this, and the notes are everywhere on everything, so I don't have to worry. I've been praying that there was something similar to this. I'm kind of hoping that there would be a tool where I can move something from one computer screen and then put it on another one, and take it from that one and put it on another one. I wish there was something that could do that, because that would be the most helpful app. If you know a program or an app that can do that, please tell me, because it would be the most useful thing, I swear to God, if they all had like a central mind. And I know some people are gonna say Google Drive. Google Drive doesn't do that, okay? I can't drag it from one screen to the other. I have to upload it to the cloud and then download it on the other one. I'm talking, I literally just want to move it and it appear on the other one. That'd be cool. 14, Cloud Magic. If your inbox fills up quicker than a sinkhole ship takes on water, you need Cloud Magic. This email management application is known for its search capabilities, cross-platform capabilities, and user interface. It can scour all of the emails you've ever received to locate exactly what you're looking for. It supports multiple accounts and even includes a feature called Cards, which connects services like Evernote, Pocket, Trello, Salesforce, Microsoft One, OneNote, and this makes it easier for users to get information they're looking for without having to leave their email. Again, another great app. It just means that everything's kind of working together in flow, in sync, without having to jump from one thing to another, to another, to another, because that's a pain. Number 15. Wave. Wave helps create and send professional invoices, estimates, and receipts in seconds. It keeps your business running smoothly by tracking income expenses effortlessly with receipt scanning tools and bank connect. It includes a suite of online small business software products, including direct bank data imports, invoicing, and expense tracking, customizable charts of accounts, and journal transactions. Again, this sounds like another really fantastic app. So this is great if you send out a lot of invoices, or you send out a lot of receipts. So maybe if you're a builder or a contractor or something of that sort, you need to constantly send receipts. This sounds perfect. Number 16, HelloSign. HelloSign is the easiest and simplest way to handle contracts or other agreements on the fly, because it lets you view and sign without visiting the office. This app also eliminates the burden of needing to print, sign, and scan a document to be sent back. It allows you to just use your fingertip to sign any PDF file and forward it to the necessary part. I personally used this before. It worked. I don't know how it would stand up in court though. That's the only thing I would say, but it does work. So if you need someone to sign something quickly, you can use that and they can just press it and then boom, it's off. Number 17, 1Password. It says do away with all those sticky notes with your password scrawled on them. 1Password allows you to collect all of these codes in one safe place online. This app keeps all your passwords and important information protected behind your master password. It has extensions or plugins for all major browsers and can securely store other things like credit cards, bank accounts, and licenses. You can save all the entries from a web page form so you can remember all the answers to your security questions and other information. This app is fantastic. It's really helpful. So if you constantly got different passwords for everything, because that's what you're supposed to do, all you have to do is remember one password, and then inside that is all your other passwords. So it's really great because you're not having to sit there trying to remember things. I know some people, they save it in their notes, which obviously anyone could read on their phone. They've got it on pieces of paper scrawled up, and then they lose the piece of paper and they can't find the password. Then they have to press forgot password, and then it never arrived because they can't remember what email address it went to. I mean, I've seen so many people do this. 1Password is a fantastic app and it does solve that problem. I personally use it. It's great. So I would definitely recommend using 1Password. So hopefully you enjoyed these top 17 entrepreneur apps. Please make sure to hit a like on this button and make sure to subscribe right now so that you can get more up-to-date entrepreneur news, business tips, and advice. You can also check me out on social media as well. The links are in the description. Please make sure to leave a comment. Did I miss any apps out? Are there any apps that you personally use that you would recommend others using? I look forward to hearing from you guys. In the meantime, peace. By tracking income, expenses, and by tracking income and expenses effortlessly, smoothly, by tracking income, expenses effortlessly, effortlessly, expenses effortlessly. Come on, bro.